Hello everyone, and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to check your internet speed on a Windows laptop, step by step. Checking your internet speed can help you see how fast your connection is for browsing, streaming, and downloading. So let's get started. First, open your web browser. Next, search for Internet Speed Test. Then, open a speed test website. Once the website loads, click the Go or Start button. The test will begin automatically. Wait a few moments while the website measures your internet connection. When the test is complete, you'll see your download speed, upload speed, and ping. The download speed shows how fast you can receive data from the internet. The upload speed shows how fast you can send data to the internet. Ping measures the response time of your connection. You can run the test multiple times to compare results at different times of the day. And that's it. You've successfully checked your internet speed on a Windows laptop. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Windows tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.